looking forward to finishing, to be honest. Should be good. Good final stretch.
It's gonna be really good. Just like get really involved with like the last little bit of senior year and just say like you're so much closer with all the teachers in your final year, and it's just, I don't know, it's gonna be really emotional in our final day. So just looking forward to that.
I can't believe how quickly it's gone. Like it's already,
days,
yeah,
that's crazy.
already turned 3, and the next term's like a.
Excited and nervous at the same time, I guess.
So yeah, definitely enjoying the last 75 days.
Hang in there. The more you do now, the less you have to do later.
Just work hard and you'll be alright. You'll get through it.
Have fun, keep working.
Don't give up.
Yeah.
Just push through it.
Yeah, keep going.
Just try to have fun. When you're stressed, you're just wasting more time.
Don't take things too seriously. Just try to have fun.
Just keep working hard, especially when you hit year 11. Just don't stop. Like, just keep that train moving. Because if you stop, it's going to affect you later on in year 12. Trust me, I'm speaking from experience. So you want to just keep it moving, you know?